So you have many ways that we can use to compare things in English. We can use subordinators like as, like, as, same as, similar to, rather than, prefer to, different from, or different than. Or we can use transitions or linking adverbs like similarly or likewise. So for example, you can say these apples are not as heavy as these oranges. We're going to talk about them. Oh, we can say not same as these oranges. You can say similar to or different from. So inshallah, we're going to talk about this. In our next topic, we're going to talk about comparatives, how we can compare between two things. We're also going to talk about superlatives, how we could compare one thing to a group of things. We're going to talk about irregular forms, good, better, best, bad, worse, worst, little, less, least, far, farther, farthest, etc. And we're going to practice them. So this is a very, very important lesson. And inshallah, it's going to be tomorrow. Do you have any questions so far?
No, thank you, teacher.
You're welcome.
No, thank
also,
you. You are the best.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Anne. Also, there's something called simile. Similes are related to tashbih in Arabic. You can say to eat like something. To, for example,
like,
yes.
Like sometimes I hear that I am hungry. I want to eat like a wolf.
Yes, excellent. Yeah, we say to eat like a wolf. There are
Yes.
other people say also to eat like a dog. But in Arabic, we don't like to say that someone is a dog. So we say wolf in Arabic. But yes, we can say to eat like a wolf or to eat like a dog. That means to eat a lot. So these are called similes. And inshallah, we're going to talk about them. To swim like a fish. If you're very good at swimming, we can say, oh, he swims like a fish.
Like me, inshallah.
Inshallah, yes. So inshallah, this is the topic that we're going to talk about next time. We still have some time. We still have 3 minutes. Maybe we can start. So here
Maybe
we
can
also
start with similar.
Okay, let's begin with here. Let's begin with comparatives. Comparatives are when we want to compare two things. For example, we have two squares, the blue square and the red square. And we want to compare them by size. Now, when you want to talk about the size of something, what adjective do we use?
Maybe big or small.
Excellent. Good job. Big, small,
beautiful,
large, size. حجم.
Size, yes.
So you can say big, small, large. These are about size.
Medium.
Now, if medium is a way
medium.
Yes, but we can't compare between things saying that they're
big,
more
large,
medium. Yes. These are the most used, big, small, and large. So if you want to compare between these two things and we want to say that something is, this is big, or that this one is big, or that this one is small, or that this one is large, but we want to compare between two things, we use comparative adjective. So here we have normal adjectives. How can we turn this normal adjective to a comparative adjective? It depends on the number of syllables in this adjective. What's the meaning of syllable?
عناصر.
Syllable is مقطع صوتي.
Oh,
So for example, when I say big, do I stop? Big.
okay.
It's very, yes, it's very small word. I pronounce it quickly. I don't stop when I say it. But when I say it something like expensive, expensive. So
Three.
how many syllables?
I think 3.
Excellent, 3. Expensive, 3 syllables. So I don't say it quickly. I say it on 3 times. Expensive. And that's why it has 3 syllables. Now, these words, I pronounce them quickly. Big, small, large. I don't stop. Big, small, large. That's why if I want to turn them into a comparative adjective, I add only ER. So I say bigger. Now with big, I add G and ER, but I'm going to talk about why I do this. But generally we add ER. So you say bigger or smaller or larger. Now large because it ends with E.
R.
Yes, only R. Excellent. So bigger, smaller, larger. And then I use the word
Than.
Excellent. Bigger than, أكبر من. Smaller than. What does it mean?
أصغر من.
Excellent. Yes, exactly. And we have larger than. So here, what is bigger than? What?
Red square.
Excellent. The red
Bigger.
square.
Bigger than the blue square.
Good job. Excellent. The red square is bigger than the blue square.
Or blue square smaller than red square.
Excellent. Good job. Or the blue square is smaller than the red square. Or the red square is larger than the blue square. So this is the first part of comparatives.